Nom 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 nom. That's good. That's good soup. I I think I need to go to sleep. I try to go to sleep, you oversized cat! Ah! Oof. Boom, 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 boom. Can you shut up, bird? That's it. I'm calling my lawyer. This is the last time I'm dealing with this bunch of cats and a dumb bird. Oh, must be my lawyer. Come in. Ouch! I hit my head on the floor. Come in. The door is open. Open the door. The door is. Come on. The door is open. All right, I'm in. What's the problem? I can't stay good sleep. Okay, why? I was fixing that I was sleeping. I only hear a squawking bird just squawking, and the cat just got scared and fell off a tree, and that dumb bird scared me off my bed, and I tumbled up the stairs. This is, oh my god, that's terrible. I feel bad for you. Yeah? Tell to this cat here. Ow. Tell this cat here. Did you cause did you cause problems here? No, I was sleeping on on the tree, and when suddenly that dreaded bird just scared the hairballs out of me, and here I am on the floor. Like, yeah, you definitely scared poor Pichu to death, because you're screaming like an oversized kitty cat. Duh! I am a cat! Why I had to do a felines are so a pain in the butt. I know. They never listen. Anyway, where's that dreaded bird? Oh, that thing just flew away. I meant, oh yeah, it just fly away anyway. So typically, yeah, that's history. That's good. Do you hear that noise? What noise? I hear someone making a big, huge noise. It sounds like a bulldog having a case of a seizure. Really? Yeah. It's so low, I can't really think. Hey, Pichu, stop snoring. It wasn't me. If it wasn't you, who was it? Shh. Evie, stop snoring. It wasn't me. Who? So, if it wasn't you, who is it? Shh. Shh. What then? Is that you? No, it wasn't me. I was on the floor for minutes ago. Give this cat a break. Sheesh. If it's not you, if it's not me, it's not Litten, and who else should be? Don't look at me. I'm not snoring. I'm sleep. I'm just my business. Okay, it's not you. It's not Litten. It's not Pablo. Who is it anyway? Shh. You hear that? Sound like it's somewhere upstairs. Upset. Must be somewhere upstairs. Make that bulldog noise. You go first. Ladies first. Well, thanks. I want to say is I found a snoring problem. I said I found a snoring problem. Where? I can't see. He's right here. Whoa! Hey, you're right. Ow! I hurt my cranium. The steps are not used to be. Let me move out of the way first. Then you can climb. Thanks. These stairs are clumsy. Shh. Ow, I just banged my head. You alright? Yeah. Every time I bang my head. Shh. Someone's making that bulldog noise. Shh. Yeah, I heard it. Who is it? Shh. Ah, Brad! Did you make that noise? It's like, what was that? Pichu, you're right. Hey, dude, are you okay? I'm not okay. Every time I fall on the stairs, looks like the stairs don't like me. God, it's like, God. All right, I found the bulldog noise. Who is it? Is it? It's Abra. Abra! Abra! Great! That was my books. That's my Harry Potter books. You clut. Oversized klutz. Now look at you, John. You made my bedroom as a mess. Sorry. Sorry doesn't cut it. You just sabotaged my room. And also everything in the house. And absolutely, you knocked me over on my stairs. Sorry. Sorry doesn't cut it. I'm saying I'm sorry. I can't help it. Kids, wait, I can't find any bed. So you had to sleep under this guy's bed. Yeah. There's no room, no bed for me to sleep. Those psychotypes are so hard to listen to. You don't tell me twice. Ike, why always be this way? That's it. That's my last time. You'll all be another episode of Harry Potter. I will never finish the story. Cause you're a dummy Pokemon. You mean Slowpoke? Who You Publio! Great, now it's a place of pigsty. Oh, great! Now everything's falling apart. Now, what was it do? Move out? I'm moving out. I'm moving out. That's all, folks. Okay, the show is over. Nothing to stay here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.